The crankshaft position sensor on an IS-250, whether it's rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, is behind the AC compressor. You do not have to unhook the lines on the compressor and let the freon out. Just take your bolts all the way out and move the compressor out the way. Your bolts up top, you have to remove the alternator first so you can get to your top bolts. Then after that, jack the car up, remove the tire, and you can get to your bottom bolts and your crankshaft sensor. And part two of replacing the crank sensor on an IS-250, whether it's rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, is behind the AC compressor. When putting the compressor back, see these top two bolts. In order to get them in right, do not tighten your bottom bolts all the way. Leave some play so you can wiggle it in order to get your top bolts, and then tighten everything down. I made a video to get the alternator out already, but as a refresher, your alternator was here, there was a pulley here, take that pulley out, take this out, this bolt, that's I think an E6. Loosen your wire harnesses and just pull the alternator straight up and out. Then you can get to the top bolts on your compressor. Then you go to the bottom, just move the compressor out the way, take your crankshaft sensor out, replace it with a new one, and you're done. Put it back together.